Hi friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can create a Google review like this in your Shopify store. So let's get started. Before going to the video, please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. Without delay, we can start. So I'm using Checkout extension in tab. I have downloaded this from the Shopify App Store. If you need, I will be attaching the link to this app in the description box. You can just check it out. And a quick reminder that this kind of customization is available only for the Shopify Plus members. And after installing the app, you can just open the app from the Shopify admin panel and go to the blog section. Now you can click on create new blog. Now you can just move down and see the Google review testimonial like this. So click on use template. So every details will be filled up by default like blog name and the checkout blog settings and everything. And if you have any conditional visibility, you can just enable this and add a visibility condition over here. There are multiple conditions showing up in this list. You can just add any if you want. Otherwise, you can just keep it disabled so that the block will be available always at the checkout page. And clicking on testimonial, you can just see the title as this, content, author, image URL, star rating, star image URL, review rate. Everything has been filled for you by default. And if you want to edit this, you can just add the your part to this fields and just click on done. Now you can save it, and after saving you can get some block ID from the block details. So copy this block ID and you can just click on open checkout editor page. Now you have to add the custom block to the checkout page like this, and you have to paste the block ID which you have copied earlier to this field. Now you can see that the block has been created here successfully. Now we can just drag this block to somewhere else which suits more, like total or order summary is the pay area which fits or which suits more to place this. So I have replaced this to order summary section. Let's save it now. The setup is very simple and we have done. And now we have to test this up in our online store. Let's see how this works in our checkout page. Let's land on the checkout page. Yeah, you can see that the Google review has been created here successfully. So that's how you can create a Google review in your Shopify checkout page very easily. So while you're waiting for, just grab the link from the description box and try this out in your online store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.